Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've got OneNote open and a page ready. Now turn on the Draw tab so the ruler appears. Select any pen or highlighter. OneNote links the ruler to drawing tools, so pick the width and color you want. Once done, tap the ruler icon on the Draw tab. It appears as a rectangular tool. This first action readies ruler placement and measurement modes, so you can align strokes precisely and keep visual consistency across sketches and handwritten notes. Now position the ruler where you need a straight guide. Tap it and drag. To angle it, use 2 fingers. Place one to anchor and rotate with the other, because that gives you smooth control over degrees. Make sure to hold one finger steady for snapping when you want exact angles like 0 degrees, 45 degrees, or 90 degrees. Once aligned, draw along the edge with your chosen pen to create clean lines, or use the ruler as a visual measure when sketching layouts, and finish by reviewing your lines and making small adjustments. Change pen thickness or color to polish edges and erase stray marks using the eraser tool. If your OneNote supports it, lock the ruler orientation to prevent accidental moves while you work. Make sure to save or sync after edits so nothing is lost. If the ruler won't appear, restart the Draw tab or the app and confirm the Draw ribbon is enabled. That fixes most visibility and responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.